Hello everyone. I am a mental conditioner in Japan. My name is Harry Yoshida. Welcoming and inviting you to take your enjoyable and relaxing time with this auto-suggestion, a guided hypnosis. This auto-suggestion is produced for you, is made for you to have a good sleep in the bed and to wake up clearly in the morning. This auto-suggestion takes about 15 minutes or so. Very simple and easy way to fall asleep. You just listen to this and you can fall asleep and wake up clearly in the morning if this is suitable to you. On the YouTube, as of today, more than 13,600 people subscribes my YouTube channel in Japan. It has been enjoying good reputation. This time, I produced its English version for the people speaking English. This is it. I hope that you find this useful to have good sleep in the night and awakening clearly in the morning. I would be happy if this video improves your life quality. As this auto-suggestion sometimes leads you to fall asleep very deeply. So when you watch or listen this video, please make sure that you are in a safe place, such as in the bed or on the sofa, so that you can fall down safely while listening to this recording. And please put off the fire and put out the cigarette. Keep clear of any danger around you. Okay? Do not listen to this recording while driving or operating the scenery. It's dangerous. Don't do that. Please secure your safety first and listen to this video only when and where you can safely relax. Okay? So, before you start, please be sure to read this note for your safety. Did you read? Did you read it? Okay. So, you're ready now. Are you ready? All right. Now, let's begin. You are now lying down on the bed comfortably. All right? Raise your arms toward the head and stretch your arms and legs too for a few seconds and relax. Very good. Okay. Get stretch again and relax. Once more. Stretch and relax. Very good. That's right. Okay, next. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, close your eyes. And take a deep breath. Slowly and deeply and gently. Inhale and exhale slowly, deeply, gently. In and out. That's right. As you breathe out, all muscles become loose and relax. As you breathe out, it becomes more loose. As you breathe in and out, slowly, deeply, gently, your body becomes looser and looser. As the power of your arms are fading away, your arms become heavy, become more heavy, heavy, heavy. As you breathe deeply and gently, you feel more relaxed, more and more. As you breathe out slowly, gently, deeply, the power of your shoulder are fading away. The muscle become loose and loose and loose. As you are entering into a dream, very, very comfortable and relaxed, deeply and deeply. As you breathe in and out slowly, deeply, gently, your face muscles become looser and looser, and your shoulders become looser and looser, more loose and more loose. As you breathe in and out slowly, deeply, gently, the muscle of your thighs become looser and looser. As you loosen the muscle of your thighs become warm, pleasantly warm, become warm, and it become heavy and heavy and heavy. And then both calves become relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. As your calves relax, they become warm pleasantly, warm and warm. And your arms become relaxed, become loose, more loose, more loose. As they become more loose, they become more warm and warm and warm, and become heavy, heavy and heavy. Your chest become relaxed, become loose, loose and loose, and they become more loose. They become warm and warm and warm, and become heavy and heavy and heavy. And your stomach become relaxed, become loose, more and more. As they become more loose, they become warm and warm and warm, and become heavy and heavy and heavy. As your shoulders become relaxed, become loose, become more loose, more loose, more loose. As they become more loose, they become warm and warm and warm, and become heavy and heavy and heavy. And your head become relaxed. Your head become loose, more and more. As your head become loose, they become warm and warm, and become heavy and heavy and heavy. As you feel as if you soak in hot spring in the spacious super, and you are now floating in the hot spring water. You are floating comfortably, and you feel good and warm and relaxed. And the tired feeling is fading away and disappeared. And you feel so comfortable that you feel as if your body is melting down. And soon you fall asleep deeply and comfortably. And your mind becomes so peaceful and calm, very calm. And any anxiety, any worry, any uneasiness are fading away and disappeared. And you fall asleep deeply, deeply, deeply. And in a dream, you open your eyes. In a dream, you see a light over there. You see the light. It is very gentle light. That gentle light surrounds you. And you were basking in the gentle light. You feel it's warm and gentle. Warm and gentle. And from now on, whenever you listen to this voice, you remember this comfortable feeling, and you feel so relaxed and comfortable. As you feel comfortable, you have a good time all day. Just listening to this voice makes you feel better and better, and accept the words of this voice. Accept the words of this voice. This suggestion remains in your mind even if you wake up from this hypnotic state. It remains in your mind. It may sound strange, but it does happen. It's always true. As you breathe out, you become relaxed and enter a comfortable world, deeply and deeply. Your consciousness becomes blurry, and the scenery around you becomes white and foggy, and you fall asleep and enter into a dream. From now on, whenever you lie in bed to sleep, immediately you become relaxed. Your facial muscles become loose, and you enter into the world of a pleasant sleep. It may sound strange, but it does happen. It's always true. And you enter the world of deep, deep sleep, and you get a good night's sleep. And next morning, you wake up in a refreshing mood and in a clear mood. You wake up at the time you want. It may sound strange, but it does happen. It's always true. Then, from now, I will count to 3. When I count 3, you fall asleep deeply. 3, 2, 1. You are now in a deep and deep sleep, very comfortable and happy. You are now in a dream. Have a good dream. Good night.